Brand name Baseus. Interface type USB Type-C. Ports. Function HDMI/card reader. Standard USB. Length about cm. Package yes. Model number Baseus in elbow USB-C hub. Certification CE ROHS FCC. Plug standard none. Item name Baseus USB ports hub for iPad Pro. Mateial Aluminium Alloy and TPE. Output HDMI USB SD/TF slot.mm jack Type-C PD port * USB. Gbps data transmission backward compatible with USB. HDMI port compatible K/Hertz video output HDCP /SD/TF slot card reader function. .mm auxiliary jack support. .mm jack earphone/headphone auxiliary output. Type-C PD slot support PDW charger, max. Type USB-C HUBUSB. HUBUSB SplitterType C hub. Suitable for iPad Pro MacBook Pro Air iPad Pro Surface Pro Switch. Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,